Hey, look, a new subscriber.
Welcome back guys. In today's video we are going to be talking about Raspberry Pi. Now this tool that you see right in front of your screen is called a Raspberry Pi. By this you can generally hack almost, no, not hack exactly. You can just create websites, create servers. You can also create a computer by this. And yeah, it's very much affordable. And for you who complain that you don't have computers, you can just order this. Link is in the description. Now I'm not being sponsored for this, so I won't put the link. You have to search it yourself. Now, via this you can just create a server, an entire server. You can start a business by this. Trust me, it's good. Now, you see, it's quite a famous tool, and many people use it just for the sake of it. Now, programmers use it, hackers use it, and also sometimes you want to remove data instantly. Now you can just create a virtual box, or you can use this. You can always remove everything and then create everything. Now if you want to create a site in the dark web, which I'll cover how to do in future, you will need this because it's better than using your own computer as your server, computer slash laptop. This will stay on forever, it will work for you, and yeah, it works very well. So now let me show you how to set this up. Now I'll just show you how to set it up. I'll not show you how to install the OS right now. Installing the OS will be for the next video. Till then, keep your SD card safe. Thank you. First thing that you need is an Ethernet cable. You can attach the one end of the Ethernet cable through the router and the other end to the Raspberry Pi. And this is generally used for the internet connections. Now, your Raspberry Pi sometimes might not have Wi-Fi. I mean, it always has Wi-Fi, but in earlier versions, like you suppose install a very previous version in your SD card, then you won't have it. So in order to update it, you can just use the latest. So if any problem occurs, you can just use the Ethernet cable, and it's fast. So all of this better. You can also try it, but you can also always use Wi-Fi. It's up to you. Now, this Ethernet cable is optional. Let's move on to the next part, which is HDMI cable. Yeah, you heard it right, the HDMI cable. Now, you can see a monitor in your screen, ignore that. You can see the Raspberry Pi on your screen, which is 3. Right now, you shall use 4. 4 is the latest and it is the best. I've used it myself. So, you see that black wired stuff right over there? Yep, that's the HDMI cable. Now you must be wondering, for stupid people who are thinking that what is HDMI cable? It is a tool used to just connect it to the monitor, and then it will show the digital data. Like um if you all have seen a setup box, which was used very much earlier, which means very recently it was used, but now it has stopped being used because many people have switched. So if you have seen a setup box, that stuff over there has a wire which is connected directly to your monitor. So that wire, just try seeing it, okay? And then if you remove that wire, then while your monitor is working, if you remove that wire, boom, you will see a black screen where monitor is not working. Now you must be all be wondering, why is it happening, well, it's because it is HDMI cable. So I'll explain it later if you want to create a separate video, but I don't believe you're so stupid enough to not notice. But so now our next topic will be my favorite SD card. The thing you see in your screen is called an SD card. Okay, over here it's written SamDisk 64 GB micro SD XE1. You are going to ignore that part. So you see in this, by this you are generally going to install an operating system over here. Now some people may know it, some people may not, but I'm going to cover it a full detailed video in the next video. Yeah, the next video is going to be a full detailed video on how to install an operating system for Raspberry Pi, via this SamDisk that you see over here, which is an SD card, micro SD to be exact, but still, who gives a shit? So now we are going to use this in, and we are going to insert it on our Raspberry Pi right over here, as you can see on your screen. Do you see the black arrow? Yep, that's it. So we are going to do that. Now after we do that, the Raspberry Pi will start working. We just need to put the a power over here, Pi power, as it is written over here. You are going to insert the power tool. Now these all tools are, you are going to get it while you buy it in a set. So if you buy it in a set, then you'll get it. And also you can buy it individually, no harm in that also. Okay, so this is how our final product looks like. Isn't it beautiful?